Impeachment lang. Si Senator Win po ang magpe-preside o may balak po bang si Senator Cheese ang i-elect?
As per our consensus as of this morning, we will elect Senator Chis Escudero if we convene again as the impeachment court to be the presiding officer.
Why so, sir?
Lawyer Kasi para, at saka may experience na rin siya sa impeachment. So, yun ang yun ang consensus namin as of this morning. Pwede magbago. And si Senator Win mismo, Senate President Pin ang nag-suggest din nun.
Sir, sorry Yung ba kasama ba yan sa negosasyon ng paglipat
No.
ni Sessions?
No. Kami yun, nag-usap. Para lang maging smooth. Kasi alam nyo, pag ikaw nag-preside, kailangan talaga meron kang hindi basic knowledge sa law. Yung rules of court, evidence. Kasi once na merong mag-motion either from the prosecution or defense, merong pagkakataon na kailangan mag-rule ka immediately, di ba? Sustained, overruled. Hindi naman pwedeng kada motion ibabalik ka sa body.
When will that happen, sir? The election of Sen. Cheese as presiding officer?
Pag nag-convene uli kami, I think July 6.
July 6
Yeah,
yan, sir?
July 6.
Okay. Sir, pag yung invitation ng kay Cayetano Black, nalagay na yun? Dito.
I don't know. Depende. Kung sasagutin ng Supreme Court, sasagot kami. Kung sabihin ng Supreme Court, denied dahil moot and academic, that's it. Although mayroong mga ibang issues dun like yung inamend namin yung rules of impeachment kasama sa question. So kung itatake ng Supreme Court yon, necessarily they will ask for the comment kung bibigyan ng due course.
Nag-offer lang ng cooperation sa Senator Alan. Is that a welcome idea?
Well, an offer is an offer. We want to see the actual action nung kanyang offer of reconciliation.
And by their absence today,
Well, it doesn't, it doesn't support the call or offer of reconciliation. Kasi the mere fact that they're not here, all of them, well, it negates whatever sincere offer he made this morning.
So hindi talagang
I hope they will catch up this afternoon. Okay?
salamat, sir.